Now we are going to find out journal form of the equation of a circle. The journal equation is given as that is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Give its name as number 1. In this we can see coefficient of x square, coefficient of y square, that is 1 and 1, that is where coefficients of x square and y square are equal and equal to 1, and in this we see there is no product term, that is coefficient of xy term is 0. Now if we reduce this equation to center radius form as x square plus, as we have 2gx, we add and subtract g square, and as we have y square plus f square and minus f square, so that we can get a equation in quadratic form. That is, in square form we get a square plus b square plus 2ab, that is x plus g whole square. Similarly, it becomes y plus f whole square is equal to g square plus f square minus c. So comparing it with x minus h square, y minus k square and r square, we get h is equal to minus g, that is minus half of 2g, that is minus half coefficient of x, and similarly k is equal to minus f, that is minus half 2f, that is minus half coefficient of y, and r square is equal to g square plus f square minus c. That gives r is equal to under root g square plus f square minus c, as radius is always positive. It is a distance between 2 points. So it is always positive. This will be possible if and only if g square plus f square minus c greater than 0. So from above we get, that is thus equation 1 represents a circle if the constant G, F and C satisfy G square plus F square minus C greater than 0 and in this case center C is minus G comma minus F and radius is under root G square plus F square minus C and equation 1 is called general form of equation of a circle. So this was all about how can we find or check whether the given equation represents the equation of a circle and what is the radius and center of that circle. Now we are going to solve problem based on general equation of a circle. So the first one is, does the equation x square plus y square plus 6x minus 8y plus 20 is equal to 0 represent a circle? If yes, find its radius and center. Now the solution is, the given equation is x square plus y square plus 6x minus 8y plus 20 is equal to 0. Here G is half coefficient of x, that is half coefficient of x is 6, that is 3, and F is half coefficient of y, that is half minus 8, that is minus 4, and here C is 20. Now we have to check out whether G square plus F square minus C is greater than 0 or less than 0 or equal to 0. So G square is 9, F square is 16, minus 20 is equal to 25 minus 0 or minus 20, that gives 5, which is greater than 0. As this condition satisfies, then we say that given equation represents a circle. As G square plus F square minus C greater than 0, therefore given equation represents a circle. Therefore radius is equal to under root G square plus F square minus C, that is under root 5, and center is minus G minus F, that is minus 3, 4. So we find out radius, center, and whether the given equation represents a circle. So 3 points are clear in this question. Now the number 2 problem is determine the given equation represents a circle. Find the center and radius for the equation. So the first part is that is equation is x square plus y square minus 2x plus 6y minus 8 is equal to 0. The first point, coefficient of x square and y square are equal and equal to 1. So, and there is no product term xy. So, this equation will represent a circle if g square plus f square minus c is greater than 0. So, first of all, we will find the value of g, that is half the coefficient of x, that is minus 2 over 2, that is minus 1, and f is half the coefficient of y, that is half of 6, that is 3. And here c is minus 8. Therefore, we have to find g square plus f square minus c. G square is 1, f square is 9, and c is minus 8. So we get 18, which is greater than 0. Therefore, given equation represents a circle. Then radius, which is equal to under root g square plus f square minus c, that is under root 18, that is 3 into 3 into 2, that is 3 under root 2, and center is minus g minus f, that is we have g as minus 1, so it becomes 1, and coefficient as 3, so it becomes minus 3. So this is the radius and center of given circle. Now the second part is equation is x square plus 4y square minus 2x plus 4y minus 7 is equal to 0. Now here coefficients of x square and y square are not equal. Hence, it is not an equation of a circle. So this is necessary to find out first of all whether the coefficient of x square and y square are equal or there is no term which contain xy. Then we will further move to find out the third condition and check out whether g square plus f square minus c greater than 0 or not. And after that we can proceed to find out radius and center if the equation is satisfied. Now the next problem is find the equation of the circle passing through the points 1 and 1 and -5 and 1 and having center on the line x plus 3y minus 1 is equal to 0. So the solution is as let the given equation of the circle is that is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. That is number 1. As minus g minus f is center of given equation, then it lies on x plus 3y minus 1 is equal to 0. That is minus g minus 3f minus 1 is equal to 0. That implies g plus 3f plus 1 is equal to 0. So that is number 2. As we have equation 1 passes through 1 comma 1. So it gives that is 1 plus 1 plus 2g plus 2f plus c is equal to 0. That is we get 2g plus 2f plus 2 plus c is equal to 0. This is number 3. Also equation 1 passes through minus 5 comma 1. So we get 25 plus 1 minus 10g plus 2f plus c is equal to 0. That is we have minus 10g plus 2f plus 26 plus c is equal to 0. This is number 4. Now we will eliminate c from 3 and 4. Therefore, 3 minus 4 gives. We get 12g minus 24 is equal to 0. That gives g is equal to 24 by 12 is equal to 2. So from number 2, we have 2 plus 3f plus 1 is equal to 0. That is 3 plus 3f is equal to 0. That implies f is equal to minus 3 over 3 is equal to minus 1. Therefore, we get center. Center is minus g minus f. That is minus 2 and 1. And from 3, as we get the value of g and f, we can find the value of c. So from third equation we get 2 into 2 plus 2 into minus 1 plus c plus 2 is equal to 0. So that gives 4 minus 2 plus 2 plus c is equal to 0. That is c is equal to minus 4. Therefore, substituting the value of g, f and c in number 1, the equation of circle number 1 becomes, that is x square plus y square plus 4x minus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0 is required equation of the circle. So by imposing the condition and eliminating c, if we suppose we have 3 points and we don't have that condition, center line on the circle. So we will have 3 equations. Then using these 3 equations, eliminate c from these equations and get 2 equations. Then solve these 2 equations for g and f, and by substituting the value of g, f, and f in one equation, in any of 3 equations, we will get the value of c. So this is the criteria to find out the value of g, f and c by solving these equations. Now the problem 4 is A with coordinate x1, y1 and B with coordinate x2, y2 are the endpoints of a diameter. Diameter is a line which passes through the center of a circle. So find the equation of a circle. So diameter is a line which passes through the center and half of diameter is the radius. Center is the midpoint of diameter. So as A and B are the endpoints of a diameter, and let C be its middle point, that is center of the circle. Therefore, coordinates of C will be, by using midpoint formula, that is x1 plus x2 over 2, y1 plus y2 over 2. So these are the coordinates of C. Therefore, AC, or we can say CB, will be the radius. That is, if we see in the circle, suppose this is our circle, this is the diameter, so this is its center. So AC or CB will be its radius. That is, AC is equal to R. So R is equal to AC, distance between A and C, that is x1 minus x1 plus x2 over 2 whole square plus y1 minus y1 plus y2 over 2 whole square. That gives 2x1 minus x1 plus x2 by taking LCM. We get this in the first bracket plus 2y1 minus y1 minus y2 over 2 whole square. So in the first bracket we will also have minus because here minus is outside. So we get under root 2x1 minus x1 is x1 minus x2 whole square over 4. 2 square is 4 plus y1 minus y2 whole square over 4. So we get 1 over 4 is common from both. That is x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. So we get 1 by 2 under root x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. Now as we have the center and radius, then we can find out the equation of circle. Therefore, equation of circle is x minus h, that is x1 plus x2 over 2 whole square plus y minus y1 plus y2 over 2 whole square is equal to r square, that is 1 by 4 under root x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square 2 whole square. So we get a square plus b square minus 2ab. Similarly, y square plus y1 plus y2 whole square over 4 minus 2ab, which is equal to 1 by 4, or we can say x1 minus x2 whole square over 4 plus y1 minus y2 whole square over 4 that is plus y1 minus y2 whole square over 4 gives x square plus 1 by 4. In the square bracket we get x1 plus x2 whole square, that is x1 square plus x2 square plus 2x1 x2 plus from here that is y1 plus y2 whole square, that is y1 square plus y2 square plus 2y1 y2, and here we get 2 and 2 cancel out and minus x into x1 minus x into x2 minus x into x1 minus x into x2 minus y into y1 minus y into y2 is equal to 1 by 4 taken out and open x1 minus x2 square, that is x1 square plus x2 square minus 2x1 x2 plus y1 square plus y2 square minus 2y1 y2. Calculation is lengthy, so don't lose your patience. Do it. So we get x square and as whole in the term, if we see, there is a missing of one term in this, that is plus y square. So we should have x square plus y square plus 1 by 4. If we see x1 square plus x2 square minus x1 square minus x2 square plus y1 square plus y2 square minus y1 square minus y2 square, taking all these terms in the left hand side, and we have plus 2x1 x2 plus 2y1 y2 plus 2x1 x2 plus 2y1 y2 minus xx1 minus xx2 minus yy1 minus yy2 is equal to 0. That implies we get x square plus y square plus 1 by 4, 4x1 x2 plus 4y1 y2 minus xx1 minus xx2 minus yy1 minus yy2 is equal to 0. So from above we get that is x square plus y square plus 1 by 4, 4 is common, x1 x2 plus y1 y2 minus x as it is x1 plus x2 minus y as it is y1 plus y2 is equal to 0. That is x square plus y square plus x1 x2 plus y1 y2 minus x x1 plus x2 minus y y1 plus y2 is equal to 0. That gives, we can also write it this form, x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 and y minus y2 is equal to 0, which is a required equation in diameter form of a circle.